We have many beginners that become practicing, they become religious. Alhamdulillah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward them, grant them steadfast on the deen. We have those who study a little bit of Arabic and they become so confident in the religion. Some of them, they don't have the basics of knowledge and they start to criticize. They start to criticize family members, other scholars that are elder than them, and even they start to hold opinions and start to now give fatwas. Knowledge is something that should humble you, not give you pride. And there's something beautiful that our teacher used to say, that a person who seeks just knowledge, he's a person with pride. But a person who seeks knowledge with spirituality, he is a scholar, he is an alim. But a person also on the other hand, who just learns and seeks spirituality without knowledge, he is a jahil. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from being jahil and being from a person who has pride. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us from amongst those who are knowledgeable and pious and hold a high level of taqwa.